Today, we're diving into something pretty mind-blowing. Did you know that YouTube isn't just a platform for cat videos and music? It's actually a treasure trove of free education. But here's the kicker, a whopping 98% of people don't know this. So in this video, we're going to unveil 10 YouTube channels that can teach you more skills than a 4-year degree. Let's get started. 1. First up, we have Syllabi. This channel offers detailed tutorials on automating video marketing on social media using AI. Yep, you heard that right. From faceless videos to avatars and finding trending topics, Syllabi has got you covered. 2. Next, we've got Khan Academy. It's like a goldmine of free courses. Whether you want to delve into artificial intelligence, learn coding, or pick up any other useful skill, Khan Academy has something for everyone. 3. Neil Patel is our digital marketing guru. Master SEO and digital marketing at a high level with Neil, an OG digital marketing legend. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on his insights. 4. Nas Daily takes you on a journey to discover the most interesting things in life that you've never heard of before. Prepare to have your mind blown with his captivating content. 5. Kwik is all about improving your brain power. With helpful videos on retaining information better, speed reading, and overall wellness, Kwik will level up your cognitive abilities. 6. TEDx Talks bring you cutting-edge information and thought-provoking topics from industry leaders around the world. Get ready to expand your horizons with their inspiring talks. 7. Don't Say That by Anik Singal teaches you what not to say online in your marketing to avoid getting sued by the FTC. It's essential knowledge for anyone navigating the digital marketing landscape. 8. Charisma on Command is your go-to for boosting your charisma and social skills. With body language tips and tricks on how to build better relationships, this channel is a game changer. 9. Alex Hormozi offers actionable strategies to get more leads and sales in your business. If you're looking to level up your entrepreneurial game, this channel is a must-watch. 10. Last but not least, Matt Wolf keeps you updated on cutting-edge AI news so you can stay ahead of the curve. Knowledge is power, and Matt Wolf delivers it in spades. And there you have it, folks.